I'll show you how to properly isolate colors in Premiere Pro. Add your video to the timeline. Once your video is in place, go to the top menu, click Window, and ensure that Lumetri Color is enabled. Select the video clip on your timeline to begin editing. Next, open the Lumetri Color panel and navigate to the Curves section. Look for Hue versus Saturation. Select the eyedropper and click on the color in your video that you want to isolate. This will automatically add 3 points to the curve. The middle point represents the color you've selected. The 2 adjacent points represent the nearest hues to that color. Now, adjust the curves to isolate the selected color. Leave the middle point untouched. Hold Shift to lock vertical movement for precision, then drag the 2 adjacent points all the way down. This will desaturate all other colors in your video, leaving only the chosen hue. If you notice that parts of your selected color aren't fully isolated, you can refine the selection. Drag the adjacent points closer or further out on the curve to include more or less of the desired hue. To make the isolated color pop even more, go to the Basic Correction section in the Lumetri Color panel. Add some contrast to enhance the effect and make your video stand out. And that's it! You've successfully isolated a color in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching!